Welcome you all. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this nested power problem. Let's look at the problem first. 3 to the power n to the power 3 plus 3 to the power n to the power 3 plus 3 to the power n to the power 3. If this is equal to 1, we have to find all possible solution of n. So let's get started and see how we can find out. Please thumbs up if you find this solution easy. We can take 3 to the power n to the power 3 as common from left hand side. So inside bracket, if we divide it by itself, we get 1, here 1 and here 1 is equal to 1. 3 to the power n to the power 3 and this 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Here we are going to add the powers because using product rule of exponent, if a to the power n times a to the power m, then we can write it as a to the power n plus m. Powers can be added. So we are going to add the powers 3 to the power n to the power 3 plus 1 because here is power 1 is equal to, we can write this 1 as 3 to the power 0 because any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we can write it as 3 to the power 0. As bases are same and equal, we can equate the powers. So by equating the powers, we have 3 n to the power 3 is plus 1 is equal to 0. We can write this as n to the power 3 plus 1 to the power 3 is equal to 0. This becomes an algebra identity. A cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Let's expand this as a cube plus b cube. We can write it as n plus 1 times n square minus n plus 1 is equal to 0. Means that we got two factors, either n plus 1 is equal to 0 or n square minus n plus 1 is equal to 0. From the first case, we can get the value of n. N is equal to negative 1. This is one value of n. Now we are going to solve the second case. This is a quadratic equation and we are going to use quadratic formula where a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1 and c is equal to positive 1. And the formula is negative b plus or minus in root b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Let's put in the values. Minus times minus b minus 1 plus or minus minus 1 whole square minus 4 times 1 divided by 2 times 1. Negative negative becomes positive. Positive 1 plus or minus negative 1 whole square is equal to 1 minus 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 2. This is equal to n is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 is negative 3 root negative 3 and we can write it as 1 plus or minus root 3 times root negative 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 plus or minus root 3 and iota, because this root negative 1 is equal to iota. So we are going to replace this by iota. N is equal to 1 plus root 3 iota divided by 2 and the other value is 1 minus root 3 iota divided by 2. But we can see that these are the complex solutions. So we are going to simply reject these solutions and we will deal with the real only. N is equal to negative 1 is the real solution. So now the next step is that we are going to check and verify whether this value of n is correct or not. We are going to put in the value of n in the given equation. N is equal to negative 1. Let's put in the value of n. 3 to the power negative 1 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power negative 1 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power negative 1 to the power 3. When we have nested powers, we solve it from top to bottom. So we are going to solve these two powers first. Negative 1 raised to power 3 is equal to negative 1. So 3 to the power negative 1 plus 3 to the power negative 1 plus 3 to the power negative 1 is equal to 1. 3 to the power negative 1 means 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3, which will give us 3 divided by 3. 3 and 3 cross out. 1 is equal to 1, means that left hand side is equal to right hand side. It shows that this value of n negative 1 is correct and also satisfy the given equation. I hope you find the solution easy. If so, please thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can go through all the steps once again. If you have any question, any query, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep practicing. Bye.